Thanks for having me. My name is Mercy Ngungu. I'm in my late 20s. I'm an African woman, self-employed, and these are my products, made. Yeah. What makes our country unique is the diversity of culture, whereby we value and we love our culture, and we are hardworking, and we are talented. Yeah. My favorite dish of food, it'll have to be nyama choma. It's my best, served with ugali. Oh yeah, it's my favorite. My favorite song at the moment is Hall of Fame by The Scripts. My hero have to be my mother. She's a hardworking woman. She has helped me realize myself from what normal people know. I have discovered myself more than my gender, that I can do better. What a man can do, a woman can do better. Yeah, so she is amazing, hardworking, talented, and I think I got what I have from her. Yeah, so my mother. My international brand will have to be Africa or Anka, because first of all, it was founded by Africans, and that means a lot, because they have really helped us show the whole world what we have. That is our talent, that is our culture, and it has really helped my business grow in a very big way. And I'm so grateful, yeah, so Africa. My brand is, I'm a CEO, and what I normally do is design my models, and then I have people who will do the rest for me. Like if it's the sandals, I do the beadwork, and then I'll have people who will now do the fixing for me. The same as the bags, the jewelries, and yeah. The reason why I chose the name Melbee African Crafts, I was inspired by my daughter. She is just like her mother. She loves African products. She wears African products. She encourages Mama to do more of what she's doing right now. She helps me in designing. So yes, that's why I named it after her. The reason why I started and how I started is I had a thing for all this. I knew I have a talent, but I didn't know there is somewhere I can show the whole world what I can do. So when I realized about Africa, that's when now I decided to do it like professionally, and now here we are. My family, they were so supportive, because I think in my family we are all self-employed. Everyone is doing what they love, and that is passion. So they were very supportive. They're still supportive of what I do, because this is who I am. Yeah. Maybe I didn't have enough capital to start my business, but with time, it worked. Also, another challenge that we face is whereby you come up with your design, and then other people will start copy-pasting your design, but that's not a big deal. We lead, they follow. Yeah. The hardest part right now in business is the shipping part. The clients are really complaining about the prices hiking by day, but I'm grateful and happy that Anka are working on finding a solution to that, and it's so promising. So yeah, I'm hoping for the best. What I normally enjoy most in my business is doing me. This is my passion. I'm doing what I love. I'm creating my own designs. I travel a lot because of my business, and I serve a lot of people internationally, locally, and I'm super proud of that. Yeah, having to dress people internationally, it's amazing. That's the interesting part. And also the reviews. When I get reviews from my clients whereby they are like, oh, I got my product, they're really looking nice. It's really looking nice. That's the best part. Yeah. I'm working with 5 people at the moment. And as the business is opening up day by day, I'm looking forward to creating more business for like 5 more people by end of the year. The challenges that we face, I face as an entrepreneur in Africa is, as the time goes by, the products, where we buy products to make our items, the prices have really hiked. They are hiking by day, and that it's making us like sell our products at a higher price than the way our clients were normally used, and it's quite a challenge, but we're hoping for the best because yeah, we have to do what we have to do. The advice that I can give people who are going challenges is not to give up. So long as you're doing what you love and you have a team like Africa who are always there for us to tackle the challenges that we are facing, I think it's promising. Don't give up. Keep on doing you, and eventually there's light at the end of the tunnel, so it shall be well. The biggest lesson that I've learned so far is consistency really pays. It works at the end of the day. Also, I've learned when you have good financial management, it helps a lot in business because you need that a lot so that you don't end up messing yourself around. So yeah, those are the biggest lessons so far. The longest I've been in Africa is as from September 2020, and I opened the shop by the name African Traditions. But along the way, we've grown so much, and because of the inspiration that I got from my daughter, so I changed the name from African Traditions to Melbee Crafts. Africa has really helped my business. It has really grown. I've made a lot of sales via Africa. My business is what it is right now because of Africa. Yes, so I'm so grateful and I'm happy. I've also seen my friends who are working with Africa doing so good like before, so it has really helped our businesses grow. And yeah, what I love most on Africa is the marketplace. It's so easy to upload your products. It's so easy to describe your shop, your products, everything that you're selling. And it has this wonderful feature whereby it helps you like pricing your products. So that's my favorite part. My advice to someone who is not using Anka is you should start right now. The platform is so amazing. It has this wonderful team that is always there for us, unlike other platforms whereby if you have any issues, you don't have anyone that you can contact. They are always there for us. They are improving and introducing new features by day to help us make more sales, improve in our businesses, show people what we have. And yeah, it's a win for us at the end of the day. Yes, I have a new product that I want to introduce to my clients, and I have a sample. Braided wigs, and I'm doing my best to make them look as natural as possible, and they're very light, so you don't have to feel like you're carrying a lot of loads on your head, and they are of the best quality and very affordable for every other person out there. Yes, so they come in different colors, different sizes, and yeah, I can as well customize according to your size. Yes. First, I want to say thank you to God for giving me such a talent and always providing for me. Secondly, I want to thank my workers, the people that I work with, who always make sure that the products come out at their best to satisfy our clients. And thirdly, I want to thank someone special. He knows himself for always being there for me. I appreciate that so much. And then there's Africa team. You guys are amazing. You're always there for us, always giving us hope and making sure we get the best. We don't take that for granted. I know at times we are so hard on you guys, but you're the best. Thank you so much.